Create your company database for clients and prospects. Hi, this is Jean-Paul Boucher for doitbythehour.com, and I'm a freelancer just like you. A good CRM tool begins with a company database, but prospecting is only the beginning. Do It by the Hour is an integrated software solution for freelancers that includes project management, invoicing, Stripe integration, booking calendars, expense tracking, CRM tools, accounting, and more. Learn about the uses and benefits of your company database. In order to make calls or send outreach emails for new business, you first need a list of companies to contact. Go to the dashboard and click the Do It button under Get Work. On the Get Work page, click the Manage Companies button in the Contacts section. On the Companies page, click the Create Company button to add a new company. Enter the details for the company, and then click Save. Returning to the Companies page, click the Filter button to define your search, including vendors, prospects, clients, and favorites, as well as name, website, and tags. Click Search to refresh your list. On the Companies page, click View on the company that you've created. On the Company Details page, click Create Employee. An employee is an individual person with contact details. A company can have more than one employee. On the Create Employee page, click Enter the details. If the person you're adding is already in your My People list, select them in the Link to My People list. Doing this allows you to use this company and employee to create billable jobs. Click the Save button when you're done. Returning to the Company Details page, click the View button for this employee and note the option to send calendar links. If you start doing business with this person, this is how you'll give them access to your booking calendars. Be sure to see our tutorial on importing companies from a CSV spreadsheet for those times when you need to enter a lot of companies at once. Ready to take your freelancing career to the next level? Give us a try with 30 days of unlimited access for free. Get started today on www.doitbythehour.com.